This man who once dodged probation now leaned on prayer and purpose, so the court listened before deciding.
All right, why are you not reporting?
I wasn't at the time because I was a homeless. My life was changed when I went to Courtroom Ministries. I did the 90-day program, got out, was accepted to sober home where I live now.
What do you call probation?
Because we did call probation when I was at New Choices Treatment Center, and the recommendation was to get a lawyer and to take care of the warrant. So when I got out, my plan was to work, which I did get a job and get some money and then get a lawyer. However, I just decided instead to, months later, obviously, to turn myself in.
Well, I'm not going to extend him. And the reason why I'm not going to extend him is because it appears that he's maintained his sobriety. Didn't do it with us, but he did it. And the fact that he turned himself in, I really do appreciate that. Court is calling 2023 CR 1644, State versus Christopher Michael Delgado. Can I have parties announce?
Andrew Harris Adelman for the state.
Kurt Hopke for defense.
And are you Mr. Christopher Michael Delgado?
I am, yes, sir.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney?
I did.
Did you understand it?
I did understand.
Are you the same Christopher Michael Delgado who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 1644 for the offense of possession of controlled substance penalty group 1 less than 1 gram on August 28, 2023 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
I said it.
All right, state.
In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Christopher Michael Delgado did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of February and March 2024 in violation of condition.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State waives the remaining violation allegations.
Any
No
objection?
objection, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
I do, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
I do.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge. Extend for 1 year, amend for biweekly UAs and reporting for 2 months. Sober support classes and intensive outpatient treatment with credit for inpatient outpatient treatment upon proof of completion and New Choices inpatient treatment.
All right. Thank you, State. You may be excused. So why didn't he report? You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do, yes.
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
My name is Christopher Michael Delgado.
All right, why are you not reporting?
I wasn't at the time because I was a homeless. In August 20th, 2024, my life was changed when I went to Courtroom Ministries and I was admitted into New Choices Treatment Center. I did the 90-day program, got out, was accepted to a sober home where I live now. I'm standing before you 8 months sober. At the time, I just was a drug addict and I
All
wasn't.
right, so when were you at the sober living?
I moved in November 8th, 2024, and I've been there ever since.
What do you call probation?
Because we did call probation when I was at New Choices Treatment Center, and the recommendation was to get a lawyer and to take care of the warrant. So when I got out, my plan was to work, which I did get a job and get some money and then get a lawyer. However, I just decided instead to, months later, obviously, to turn myself in on March 6th.
All right. Probation, did you all receive a phone call from Mr. Delgado?
It was around, well, I was admitted August 20th. It would have happened around August, September. My probation officer at the time was Stephanie Keys.
All right, August, September. And counsel, do you have any objection to the court review and the court summary?
No.
Right. Let me open it.
There is a progress report, Judge, in September of 2024 from New Choices Treatment Center. There was communication that week. Yes, Judge.
All right.
And Judge,
And so, just one second. So tell me everything that you're learning.
Well, if I may,
He wrote a letter.
Sure.
yes. Let's see. Well, I would like to apologize to Your Honor, the courts and probation office for wasting your time dealing with my past mistake. After
Oh,
22.
Slow down, because the
Oh,
court reporter has to take it down.
Take a breath.
Okay.
After 22 years of drinking and I never thought I would be here standing before you 7 months sober. I cannot dispute the allegations on the MTR notice because at the time I was a full-on homeless. But with the help of a cousin and the grace of God, I was directed to the Corazon Ministries Day Center for a shower and a meal, and my life was forever changed. I was Brittany Ackerson and Jenny, the caseworker, used their resources and reached out to Krisha and at New Choices, where I was admitted on August 20th, 2024, my sober date. I completed the 90-day program and transitioned to Best Days Recovery Sober Living Home on November 8th, thanks to Michael and Charles Nolan, their directors. There, I became the chore coordinator while attending IOP via Zoom 3 times a week, a minimum of 5 recovery support meetings a week, submitted to random drug screenings. I even found time to give back and do some volunteer work at Corazon Ministries. I met my employer there with Wise Water Solutions. I've been working as an apprentice irrigation technician with hopes of becoming licensed soon. I'm an active member of Community Bible Church. I was baptized November 26th. I completed IOP in February from New Choices Treatment Center. And I truly am grateful for my sponsor, Justice Simmons, who advised me, that's why I'm here, to turn myself in on March 6th. I can't say I didn't do it. I can't say I did it alone. I have an amazing support system now that includes my cousin, Diane, Victoria, Catherine, my best friend, Jennifer, the housemates at Best Days, my sponsor, Justice, and it's the closest relationship I have with my higher power in my adult life. I thank you for this time, and I truly thank you for being a part of my recovery.
All right.
Whatever.
So here's my question. So the sober house you're living at, will they allow you to come back, or they're just waiting for you to come back?
Yes, they are. They're holding my spot.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court will deny the motion. And the defendant is to continue to live at the sober support center. Probation, is there anything else you're requesting? He's to continue with, his sober meetings. And you're gonna have to sign a release so that probation can get information from the sober support home and for the classes that you're currently taking. You understand?
I understand. Yes.
And anywhere from 6 months to a year. He does get off probation in August of this year. I need the instruction on that, and if you want to give me like 5 weeks to wait or anything like that.
Well, I'm not going to extend him. And the reason why I'm not going to extend him is because it appears that he's maintained his sobriety. Didn't do it with us, but he did it. And the fact that he turned himself in, I really do appreciate that. So based upon the letter that he's read to the court, it appears that he's internalizing everything. And this is a state jail felony. So I'm not inclined to extend. But you're going to have to keep up with everything. Do not backslide. Do not fall out of line. You need to report to probation. Make sure you report to them. All right.
I will, Your Honor. Thank you.
And do you still want to, do they do drug testing where you are now?
Yes, they do.
All right. So if you all want to confer with that organization on how they do their drug testing. So I'll say bi-weekly UAs. But if you all find their drug testing acceptable, you can use their drug testing. Anything else? Anything else you need from the court?
No, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. So here's the thing. Everybody, I'll say except for the younger generation, all of us were baptized in the creek. So we would always tease the people who were baptized in the church pool that you're really not saved because that's a pool, you're not in the creek. We're having to deal with maybe a snake is going to come up, We had to walk across the cow patties because we had to go to the field. So, were you baptized in a pool where it's all sanitized?
Yes, I was.
But Sean, he was baptized in the pool in the church where it's all sanitized. There's no fear that you're going to step on an ant pile, you know. But Sean, you know, I could not swim. So one of my uncles was there and my mom was like, don't y'all let my baby drown. So it was deep water. Y'all have the pool that's not much water, but well, good luck to you. Here's the thing. Do not do this thing where you don't report. You understand? You need to make sure you stay in contact with them. And whether or not you're off this probation in August is going to be completely up to you. You understand?
Yes, I do.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You too.
Good luck.
Have a seat in the second row. Thank you.
The slippery student danced around duty too many times, so the judge finally shut the door on second chances.
Why are you not reporting for your UAs?
So I'm currently a full-time student at an Academy for Massage Therapy School, Your Honor. It revolves all of my time and all of my day. I go to school from 8 in the morning to 2:30. I'm in class, and then after that, I attend internship from 2:30 all the way to 10 at nighttime. So I'm constantly busy at school. The only day I do have off is Sunday. So by the time that comes, I don't really have time to do anything.
Here's the thing. I understand that people have other things they want to do. They're busy, but when you're on probation, you're on probation. I don't know what people don't understand that probation should come first. I know people are trying to better their lives, but probation should come first. And she's been here before and I've altered and amended conditions for her before. I've already extended her. She didn't do well. I don't think she's appropriate for probation. Sentenced you to 60 days in the Bexar County Jail.